Good morning and welcome. Find a comfortable position for yourself now. Whether sitting gently or lying down, allow your body to settle. Give yourself permission to arrive fully in this moment. Slowly, deliberately, close your eyes or simply soften your gaze, allowing the world outside to fade into a gentle blur. Let's take a moment to simply be here, to let go of the rush, the noise, the expectations. This time is just for you, a gift you are giving yourself. Bring your awareness to your body. Notice where you are making contact with the surface beneath you. Feel the support. Allow your shoulders to soften, your jaw to relax. Release any tension you might be holding. Just let it go. Now, gently, bring your attention to your breath. You don't need to change it, deepen it, or control it in any way. Just observe. Witness the natural, easy rhythm of your inhale and your exhale. Feel the cool air entering your nostrils, traveling down, expanding your chest and abdomen, and feel the warmer air leaving, the soft release. With each breath, imagine you are sinking just a little deeper into this moment, letting go a little more completely of anything that might be. Inhale, peace. Exhale, release. Inhale, presence. Exhale, whatever is no longer needed. Continue to breathe naturally, using your breath as a gentle anchor, keeping you rooted right here, right now. There is nowhere else you need to be. Nothing else you need to do in this precise second. Just breathe. Now, bring your awareness deep within. Imagine in the very core of your being, perhaps in your chest or your solar plexus, a source of warm, radiant light. This isn't just any light. This is the light of your own vital energy, your inner strength, your potential. It's always there, sometimes dimmed by the busyness of life, but always accessible. With each slow, steady inhale, imagine this light growing, becoming brighter, warmer, more vibrant. It pulses gently with your breath, filling the space within you. On the exhale, allow this light to expand beyond its center. Imagine it flowing outwards like a warm, golden liquid, spreading through your chest, down your arms, all the way to your fingertips, up into your neck and head, and down through your torso, your hips, your legs, right to the tips of your toes. Feel every cell in your body being bathed in this warm, energizing light. Feel it clearing away any lingering fatigue, any stagnation, any heaviness from the night or the day before. You are filling yourself up from the inside out with pure, positive energy. You are becoming radiant, vibrant, alive. Now, as this light fills you, let's gently acknowledge any thoughts that might still be lingering from yesterday. Any worries, regrets, frustrations. See them as tiny specks of dust caught in the light, or as leaves on a stream, floating away from you. You can see them, you acknowledge their presence, but you do not need to pick them up. Allow them to simply drift downstream, out of your immediate awareness. Similarly, if your mind jumps ahead to the day, bringing up lists of tasks, potential challenges, or future anxieties, see these thoughts as clouds on the horizon. They are not here yet. They are distant and ever-changing. You don't need to rush towards them or pull them closer. Simply observe them in the distance and let them be. You are not your thoughts. You are the vast, clear sky within, filled with light, and the thoughts are just weather patterns passing through. Allow the inner sky to be clear and bright. This day stretching before you is like that clear sky, full of potential, full of possibility. and you have the power in this moment to choose a quality of energy and intention you will bring to it. What kind of day do you want to create? Beyond the tasks and the to-do lists, what is the feeling you wish to carry with you? Perhaps it's a feeling of calm clarity or energized focus, maybe joyful ease, a sense of resourceful adaptability, deep presence in each moment, or perhaps a quiet confidence in your ability to handle whatever arises. Listen to what resonates most deeply within you right now. What quality would make today feel truly successful, regardless of external outcomes? Hold that feeling, that quality within the warm light in your center. Let it amplify there. This is your core intention for the day, not a rigid plan, but a guiding energy. Now, let's step into that feeling and gently visualize the day unfolding, imbued with this chosen quality. See yourself moving through your morning routine, simple actions performed with presence and ease. Perhaps the first sip of a warm drink felt fully. The light coming through the window, noticed and appreciated. Visualize yourself approaching your tasks, big or small. See yourself acting from that place of inner light and chosen quality, perhaps with calm focus, making clear decisions. See yourself navigating your responsibilities, not from a place of stress, but from that grounded energy within you. Imagine encountering a challenge or a moment of uncertainty. Instead of tension, see yourself pausing, taking a breath, connecting back to your inner light and your chosen intention, and responding with adaptability or patience or resourceful problem solving. See yourself trusting your intuition, your innate capabilities. Visualize your interactions with others. See yourself communicating with kindness, with clarity, perhaps with a gentle sense of humor. See yourself being fully present when you listen. See the simple moments of beauty or peace throughout the day. The warmth of the sun, the sound of birdsong, a shared laugh. See yourself noticing these moments, allowing them to fill you up, reinforcing that feeling of inner success and well-being. Visualize the end of the day. See yourself looking back, not necessarily on perfection, but on a day lived with awareness, a day where you met yourself and the world with your chosen quality of being. Feel that quiet satisfaction, that sense of having been present and true to yourself. This is not about wishing for a perfect day without challenges. It's about cultivating the inner state that allows you to meet any day with strength, clarity, and presence. You are building this capacity right now, from the inside out. Remember, the path itself is precious. Every step, every experience, every moment of choosing awareness adds to the richness of your journey. You are not waiting for success at some distant point. You are cultivating the feeling of success, of capability, of presence with every breath today. Offer yourself deep gratitude. Thank yourself for showing up today, for dedicating this time to nurturing your inner world. Thank your body for carrying you, your mind for its incredible capacity, your spirit for its enduring light. Know that you are doing enough. You are enough. You are capable. And you are deserving of a day filled with ease, clarity, and moments that bring you joy and a sense of accomplishment. Trust the light within you. Trust yourself. Your inner radiance is now vibrant, expanded, and ready to illuminate your path forward. You are grounded, centered, and connected to your intention. You are ready to meet this day, ready to act from strength, ready to be present. Take a deeper breath in now, and slowly release. Feel the contact points of your body again. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Gently bring movement back into your hands and feet. Perhaps roll your shoulders or gently stretch your neck. When you feel completely ready, slowly, softly open your eyes. Bring the light and the intention you cultivated within you into the day. You have everything you need. May your day be filled with clarity, flow, and moments of deep connection, both with yourself and with the world around you. You are ready. Go gently but with quiet power. Start this day with confidence. Your strength, your success begins within.